Nate Bergenholt here with Kong USA. A couple years ago, we shot a video on an inclined roof featuring the Kong backup rope grab. Today, I want to talk about a few other complementary items that go along with the backup on an inclined roof. The first is the Lifeline. This Lifeline is 11 millimeter static working line. It's made by our friends at Tuffelberger Rope. We have a stitched eye here and a swivel snap hook. This attaches to the roof anchor. The next product I want to show you, and this is a little different than what's out there. This is our Shock Pack energy absorbing lanyard. What we've done here is we've replaced the steel snap hook with an aluminum one, and on the other end we completely got rid of the D-ring and replaced it with a reinforced webbing. This eliminates a metal-to-metal connection point, also makes the overall system a little lighter. The third product I'd like to show you today is our Y lanyard for positioning. This attaches to your side attachment points in front of you in a fall restraint system. Again, what we've done is we eliminated the steel snap hooks with aluminum, and on the third leg, we eliminated the snap hook altogether and replaced that with a reinforced loop webbing that the carabiner for the backup attaches directly to and then right onto the backup. This completes the system. For more information about these products or any of our other products, please contact us at Kong USA.